No. Why can't you just put on the DCs?
Because I don't want to.
But they're so much faster. You don't have to tie them and... Oh, for the love of God.
God loves you.
I hope so. Or else I'm screwed. I am screwed. Don't tell me otherwise. Hey, you're screwed too.
I am?
Yes, you're a very violent person.
I'm a very what?
You're a very violent person. Or war... Wait, war-induced or war-obsessed? What
Is
would
there
be...
a problem with that?
No, I'm just thinking what's the best word to describe it.
How about no words? I don't like it when you talk like that.
Well, I mean, it's just... I'm sorry, but, I mean... That's what you want to do, right?
Yeah, but I'm serious about it, so don't talk like that about
Well, an obsession is something you're serious about.
Yeah.
Isn't there no better other way to describe it, really? I mean, I'm serious about my art, and I'm serious about my music, and I consider myself obsessed with it.
Huh?
I consider myself obsessed with my music and art, and that's something I'm serious about.
Oh, you pissed me off so much now.
Why?
I gotta put these on for you.
You don't have to.
Did somebody step on my plants?
Not that I know of.
Don't record me.
Well, then... Yeah. Nope. MR2. Wow, this looks cruddy on this camera. Firebird. Why does it look orange on here? Too terribly orange. And
I'm still not in the mood to do these sound effects right now.
why? What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Nothing's wrong.
Then what? Wait. Does that unlock it or does that unlock it? I don't remember. I haven't been in this
I
car
don't
in...
like the big loud sound.
Oh my gosh. Alright.
It all starts rolling out backwards.
Oh, I'd be so mad. Oh yeah. My current, what would I call it? Holy crap, that's a huge spider. I can't see it on the camera.
That's a dumping spider.
That's huge for that, dude. Hey, yeah, go on the engine, please. Go on the engine. Burn, burn, burn. Now, I can't ever figure out for the life of me where my throttle cable is. Huh?
Look them up. By the way.
Where'd my throttle cable go? I can't find it on this car. It's too much of a mess.
With your what?
Hold this. I can't find my throttle cable, so hold on. Does it sound pretty nice?
No.
You don't like that cold air intake sound it gets from it?
It's good.
Did the engine shake?
Yeah.
Yay! Me happy, I got power. Gotta go. Peace out.